Here are a couple multi-step problems that I want you to solve. Okay, before we do though, let's remember we want to solve these in the order of DCI, which stands for distribute, combine, and use inverse operations. So if I look at this first problem here, I see I have to distribute. I'm going to distribute what's right outside of the parentheses, in this case, -4. If I distribute -4 into the parentheses, I'm going to have -4x plus 8. And that's going to equal the other side, -32. Then it just turns into a two-step problem where I'm going to have to move the 8 over using inverse operations. And then I'm left with -4x equals -32 minus 8 is -40. Now, -4 is being multiplied by x, so I have to divide by -4. When I do that, I get x equals a positive 10. Since x is by itself, I know I'm done. In the second problem, I also have to distribute. Now, I'm only going to distribute the 2. I'm going to just leave the 6x out front for now. When I distribute the 2, I get 4x, so positive 4x, and then -14. And that equals the other side of 16. All right? Now, remember the C from our DCI stands for combine. Sometimes you're going to have to combine like terms. That means that on one side of the equal sign, if we can put some like terms together, we need to do that first. I see that 6x and 4x can be combined to be 10x. And then I just bring down the rest. -14 equals 16. Then it turns into a problem that's just two steps. We need to add 14 to both sides. And I get 10x equals 30. And if I divide by 10 to get the x by itself, x is 3. And those are your answers. But remember, use DCI, distribute, combine, inverse operations when you're solving for x.